Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The four basis functions of management. For any kind of organization to run smoothly, it needs to implement core management concepts. This necessitates that the four management functions planning, organization, direction, and controlling be properly understood. Any organization, whether new or only small or big, requires certain methods, procedures, and plan in place for its effective functioning. For this to happen, they must develop and implement management concepts which help this implement this vision for this future of the organization. Planning, organization, directing, and controlling. Planning is an uniting course of action. There may be certain strategies requests to be implemented during a crisis. There are external factors that constantly affect a company, but positively and negatively. Depending on the condition, a company may have to alter this course of action regarding certain goals. This kind of preparation of organization is known as strategic planning. In strategic planning, management analyzes internal and external factors. They may affect the company, its objectives and goals. One of the primary tools of strategic planning is the use of SWOT analysis, a technique that help organizations find their strengths and weaknesses, identify areas of opportunity, and take preventive measures against threats arising from both internal and external performance factors. The SWOT matrix can be understood by dividing its scale according to what they represent for the organization. Internal environment threat for the factor affecting performance with his the company itself. This could be both positive or negative in nature. External environment is the source for factor beyond the control of the organization, which may affect it in positive or negative ways. Strengths are these are the organization's will, its core competency in production, sales, innovative, and so on. Weaknesses are the areas which need improvements, such as the high attrition rate. Strengths are the forex-based variables that affect the company, such as government regulation, entry of new competition, or even natural disasters. An organization can analyze its position in relation to its strengths and weaknesses by analyzing this in the SWOT matrix. Then the planning process can incorporate the request and solution process in this strategies along with the necessary strategy planning request. Organizing. The second function of the management is getting prepared and getting organized. This management must organize all its resources beforehand to follow the course of action decided during the planning process, while determining the hierarchy of the organization. Manager must look at the requirements of different divisions or departments. They must also ensure the harmonization of staff and territories are the best way to handle the the important tax and reduce unnecessary expenditure, which is the company management determine the difference of work according to its need. It also has to register or suitable departments to house over authority and responsibles. Directing atau leading. Directing or leading is the third function of management. Working under this function helps the management control and supervise the action of the staff. It also enables this to render assistance to the employees by guiding them in the right direction to adhere the company goals and also accomplish their personal or career goals, which can be powered by motivation, communication, department dynamics, and department leadership. Management who have the responsibility to direct have to be sensitive to behavior patterns and have the ability to read body language so as to make more informed decisions regarding their employees. Controlling. Control the last or the fifth condition or management. In look there's establishing for more main standards, which are aligned to the company objectives. It also involves evaluation and reporting or actual job performance. When these points are studied by the management, it is necessary to compare both these things. This study or comparison leads to further corrective and preventive action. The controlling function aims to check if the tasks being allocated are performed on the time and according to the standard set by the quality department. Effective and efficient management likes success with its the attainment of objectives and goals that an organization set for itself for course of for achieving the ultimate goal. Relative problem solving and successful application of all these functions is necessary.